As you can see, motorcycle boots come in all shapes and sizes, tailored for every ride style and level of protection a rider might want. We're going to break down the different types available and the features that you can expect across the board in our motorcycle boot guide. To start with, there's three different types of motorcycle riding boot. There's full length, there's short, and there's riding shoes. And from there are nuances between the different ride styles. These elements can include impact protection, sole reinforcements, the use of abrasion-resistant materials, shift guards, and other exterior protectors as well. Additionally, many will incorporate waterproof and weather-resistant materials or be designed with perforations to aid in breathability on warmer days. Also, there's an increasing selection of boots available that are CE rated, meaning they meet quality and durability standards in conditions that are similar to those that may be experienced in a crash. But whatever type you choose, make sure that fit is accurate. Not all manufacturers are made the same, so always be sure to refer to the specific size charts because you want to be able to manipulate the foot controls easily, have a steady foot while you're on the pegs or at a stop, and most important, you want to be comfortable when you're on the bike. Whether you ride street, sport, cruiser, or touring, there are full-length and short boot options out there for you. With full-length boots, there can be added protection on the shins. There's a variety of retention systems and very often enhanced impact protection. Short boots will lack the shin protection, but often have the same design from the ankle down as a full-length boot. Sport riders in particular will make use of full-length boots for their enhanced protective quality. A good full-length sport boot is going to have additional exterior reinforcements in areas like the toe, the heel, and at the ankles. Other design elements can include things like toe sliders, a high-grip outer sole, the use of leather or other synthetic materials that are highly abrasion-resistant, or some sort of air ventilation design if you're going to be riding in the sunshine. Many full-length sport boots are going to have a long full-length zipper along the side that's covered by a Velcro flap, but there are also choices out there that use a buckle retention system or some other type of closure method. And when you get inside, you're going to generally find some type of mesh, comfort padding, and even antimicrobial moisture wicking material. Fit is often fairly rigid in a pair of full-length sport boots since their primary objective is to keep you safe in a crash. Track day riders, high-paced road riders are generally going to tend to the full-length sport boot, but honestly, these will work great for any rider that is looking to get maximum protection. However, if you really like the aggressive styling of a full-length sport boot but want a little bit more freedom of movement, there are lots of options in the short sport section as well. Full-length touring boots are generally less complex in their construction compared to full-length sport and street boots. But even still, most make use of leather or synthetic material for abrasion resistance, include impact protection in key areas, come with flex zones. Most often, this is going to be a full-length zipper with a Velcro flap to keep everything nice and tight, but there are buckle options and other retention systems depending on your preference. What's really nice about full-length touring boots is the broad range of waterproof and weather-resistant options. The outsole tread pattern also may be a little bit more aggressive on a touring boot to deal with the adverse conditions that a touring rider might face. Fit in a full-length touring boot is likely to be more casual than compared to the fit of a full-length sport boot, and over time, a touring boot has the tendency to break in and become quite comfortable off the bike. For cruiser-style boots, leather is the most commonly used material for the upper portion, although here too you can find plenty of selections that include other abrasion-resistant materials. In most cases, these are designed to resemble your typical work boot, although they do have enhanced protection in the toes, heels, and ankle. Lace-up or slip-on retention systems are frequently used, although you can find combinations of these with or without buckles, depending on your preference. This is a versatile and popular segment because cruiser boots can be easily transitioned off the bike and they're all-day comfortable. And if you want to go really casual, check out riding shoes. In many cases, these are made to resemble any standard pair of shoes you'd find at a department store, although hidden inside are elements like reinforced shanks and ankle protectors. A wide variety of retention systems are used, although you're going to find a lot of lace-ups in this segment, and the outsole is built to provide reliable grip on the pegs or at a stop. Of all the segments we've covered, fit is generally the most comfortable with riding shoes, and these transition seamlessly off the bike into a rider's daily life. And there you have it, a basic rundown of the different types of motorcycle boots available and the features that they might include. If you have any questions about motorcycle boots, please leave us a comment and be sure to subscribe to Rider's Domain for more motorcycle videos.